Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 2008 SUV in the active specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. You get the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You also get air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done less than 6,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.